So students, we have completed addition and subtraction in fraction. Now multiplication and division. Multiplication is very easy. See, multiplication of fractions. Okay. Now multiplication is nothing but a repeated addition. Okay. So 3 into 1 by 5. What does this exactly mean? 3 into 1 by 5 means 3 बार 1 by 5 को ऐड करने का रिपीटेटिव एडिशन का मल्टीप्लिकेशन होगा. 3 बार 1 by 5 ऐड किया, that means it is nothing but 3 into 1 by 5. That is equal to, see, same denominator 5 है, numerator को just ऐड किया, 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3 by 5. So 3 into 1 by 5 is nothing but 3 by 5. How do you do this in multiplication? There is no इक्वलाइजिंग ऑफ डिनोमिनेटर. एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन में डिनोमिनेटर को इक्वल करना पड़ता था लाइक फ्रैक्शन बना के. देन यू राइट द डिनोमिनेटर वंस और न्यूमरेटर लिख के बीच का साइन लिखते हैं. मल्टीप्लिकेशन में स्ट्रेट अवे द अक्का नंबर विल गेट मल्टीप्लाइड विद द न्यूमरेटर. स्ट्रेट अवे ऊपर का नंबर ऊपर से मल्टीप्लाई होगा, नीचे अगर कुछ नंबर होगा तो नीचे से मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा. डिनोमिनेटर टू डिनोमिनेटर, न्यूमरेटर टू न्यूमरेटर, स्ट्रेट अवे मल्टीप्लाई होगा. नाउ 3 into 1 by 5, 3 is ऊपर वाला नंबर. Only 3 means it is always understood that it is 3 by 1. Now this you forget. Okay? So this is 3 into 1, 3 upon 5. For example, A upon B into C is equal to A into C, that is AC upon B. उल्टा भी चलेगा because multiplication is commutative. C into A by B, इसका उल्टा. C को इधर लाया, A by B. Same answer you will get. C into A is nothing but A into C. 3 into 5 is 15. 5 into 3 is 15. Same rule applies here. C into A is CA or AC. Whatever you can write. Either AC you write or CA you write. It is the same thing. Okay? So into means numerator into numerator upon denominator. Either denominator कुछ है ही नहीं. We consider it as 1. और just कुछ भी नहीं है. So this B only you write or B into 1B. ऐसा लिखते हैं. Now 1 by 3 of 6. Of का meaning is multiplication. So 1 by 3 of 6 means 1 by 3 of के जगह में I put one multiplication sign 6. That is numerator into numerator, 6 ones are 6 upon denominator into denominator. 6 अकेला ऊपर रुका है means नीचे denominator 1 है. 3 into 1, that is 3. 3 by 6, that is 2. Answer is 2 here. Now 12 by 17 into 5. What will be the answer? 12 5s are 60 upon ये 17 है. इधर कुछ भी नहीं है तो you can treat it as 1. 17 ones are 17. Okay, but generally you don't write like that. Now same way commutative उल्टा करो. 5 into 12 by 17. Same answer. 5 12s are 60 upon 17. 5 of 12 by 17. Same answer. Of के जगह में multiply लिख दो. 12 5s are 60 upon 17. So different. I'm just showing you different possibilities. It is one and the same. Don't get confused. Now see, we'll do one sum. 2 and 3 by 5 multiplied by 4. This is equal to, rule is same, mixed fraction को improper करो. 5 2s are 10 plus 3 13 upon 5 multiplied by 4. Now there is no plus and minus, so no LCM, no common denominator, no like fraction, nothing. Numerator into numerator, 13 4s are 52 upon 5. This is the answer. 52 upon 5 is the 52 upon 5 is the answer. Nothing else. Straight multiplication. Multiplication of fractions is very easy. Now 1 by 3 of 1 by 2. Now of के जगह में I can write what I told, multiplication sign upon 1 by 2. So multiplication में I told you numerator into numerator is equal to numerator into numerator. 1 ones are 1. Denominator into, अभी देखो first time denominator आ गया. You got denominator here. 3 2s are 6. 1 by 6 is the answer. Okay? In short, what I want to convey to you is, see, in short, A by B multiplied by C by D is equal to A into C, numerator into numerator. AC. B into D, denominator into denominator. This is the answer. Multiplication. Okay. So before we go to division, we will learn one concept called reciprocal. For example, you have 1 by 5. Reciprocal of 1 by 5 is 5 by 1. Okay. Numerator and denominator उल्टा हो जाता है. N is for numerator, D is for denominator. Reciprocal में it becomes denominator numerator हो जाता है और numerator denominator. N upon D will become D upon N. Bear in mind this is not equal to, okay? Exactly ulta hai. This is nothing but multiplicative identity type. Because when you multiply a number with its reciprocal, you get the answer 1 always. I'll show you. You will always get the answer 1 when you multiply a number with its reciprocal. Now, what is the reciprocal of 3? Reciprocal of 3. 3 is nothing but, I told you, when there is a single number, denominator is always taken as 1. Okay? Only 3 likhta hai, but as a fraction, it should come into your mind that only 3 means it is 3 upon 1. Okay? So reciprocal of 3 upon 1 will become 1. Here denominator numerator hota hai, 1 upon 3. So what will happen when you multiply by the number given with its reciprocal? What will happen? See, 1 1 cut ho gaya, 3 1 3. Answer is 1. Whenever you multiply a number with its reciprocal, the answer is always 1. Okay. Now, say I'll give one more number. 12 upon, say 55. 12 upon 55. इसका reciprocal क्या होगा? 55 upon 12. If you multiply the number with its reciprocal, 55 ones are 55, 12 ones are 12. That is 1. Multiplication 1. That is 1. Answer is 1. So when a number is multiplied by its reciprocal, answer is always 1. Now we will do some sums here. Let me see what is given in your exercises. Seven by 5 into 2 by 3. How much? Answer. This is very easy actually. 7 2s are 14 upon 5 3s are 15. You may get for 1 mark fill in the blank at the most. Okay. 1 2 by 5 into 6 by 11. 1 2 by 5 multiplied by 6 by 11. पहला मिक्स को improper करते हैं. 5 1 5 plus 2 7. और ये 5 को ऐसे किस लिखा? Multiply by 6 by 11. That is nothing but ये prime number है 7 and 11. कुछ कट नहीं होगा. 7 6 are 42. 11 5 are 55. This is the answer. ठीक है? Now we will do some sums in division. Pay attention here. Division में कुछ चीज ध्यान से सुनना. See, we will not follow the book. I'll give you my own. 2 divided by, say, 1 upon 6. Now I want to solve this. 2 divided by 1 upon 6. This is nothing but division में you always convert the division into multiplication. Okay? Whenever you want to simplify or solve a fraction using division, convert it into multiplication. It is very easy. इसको 2 को 2 ही लिखा. Division को I will make it as multiplication. उसके बाजू का नंबर में हमेशा उल्टा करना है. That means I want to make the reciprocal of this number. So division of number is same as multiplication of its reciprocal. So So 2 multiplied by reciprocal of 1 by 6 is what? 6. Okay? So 2 into 6 is 12. That means 2 divided by 1 by 6, answer is 12. 2 divided by 1 by 6, answer is 12. Okay? Now, I'll give you one more sum. Say, for example, 1 by 5 divided by 1 by 10. What you will get? 1 by 5 divided by 1 by 10. That is equal to 1 by 5. This division sign, make it as multiplication sign. This 1 by 10 will become what? 10 by 1. 10 by 1 is nothing but, I told you, whenever there is upon 1, it is nothing but 10. Okay? So 1 by 5 divided by 1 by 10 is equal to 1 by 5 multiplied by 10. That is equal to, or you can write 10 by 1 also. Chalo, go yaar. Koi baat nahi. Now multiplication में numerator into numerator, that is 1 tens are 10. There is no equalizing of denominator in multiplication. Okay, LCM, LCM question है. Unequal denominator को भी you can multiply and write. If it was plus or minus, I would have multiplied 5 here, into 5 to make this equal. Correct? So 1 into 10 is 10, 5 into 1 is 5. That is equal to 5 2s are 10. 2 is that. Okay? So such type of sums we will solve in the coming exercises. Okay?